test material. So all of you open the material. So in that material, classical thinking, so the problems are visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so open
Yes,
the
sir.
page number 92. Open the page number 92. I think in that last class we have completed 67 problem. Now
No,
observe the 67 हो चुका है ना? हो चुकी है?
Yes.
Now look at the 68. So the domain of the function log modulus x square minus 9. So we have to find the domain, means the values of the x for which the function defines is called the domain. Okay, to find its a domain, since it is a logarithmic function, inside the logarithm we have to take the positive values only. For the negative value and for the zero, log is not going to define. That's why if you observe this function, there is a modulus. When there is a modulus, it always gives a positive value only. That's why here you no need to consider about the negative, because even the x square minus 9 is a negative. Because of the modulus, it becomes positive. That's why here we have to consider only the condition that x square minus 9 is not equal to 0. Means x square minus 9 should not be 0. So if it is 0, mod 0 becomes 0, log 0 is not going to define. That's why x square minus 9 should not be 0. So that's why x square is not equal to 9. Therefore, x square is not equal to plus or minus 3. Means minus 3 and plus 3 nahi lena hai. So I have to leave those two values. Remaining all the values we can take it. That's why the domain is r minus 3 comma 3. From all the real number, subtract these two numbers. Remaining all the values we can take it. So that will be the domain. Right? ये दोनों वैल्यूज छोड़ की बाकी सभी वैल्यूज ले सकता है. तो सभी वैल्यूज बोले तो सभी रियल वैल्यूज ले सकता है. रियल वैल्यू बोले तो इसका r, we will represent the real numbers by the r. From the r, subtract these two values. This will be the range domain of that given function. This is also take that. Okay.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay. Next, look at the next problem. Observe this. What is the domain of under root log of 5x minus x square upon 6? So, observe this problem. 69. The domain of under root log of 5x minus x square by 6. You have to find the domain of this. Where the options were given. First option, open bracket 2 comma 3. Second option, close bracket 2 comma 3. Third option, close bracket 1 comma 2. And fourth option, close bracket 1 comma 3. So we have to find the domain of this. Just observe this. So to find the domain of any function, so one way is that we will take the condition. From that condition, we will find the values of the x. Okay, that is the regular method. Or there is one more method is there for finding the domain, that is called the elimination method. Since it is an objective examination, means out of the 4 options, exactly one option only is correct. Okay. So to get that correct option, if you know the 3 wrong options, then the 4th one will be the correct only. So that's why we will identify the 3 wrong options. If you eliminate the wrong option, then automatically will identify the correct option. That is called the elimination method. So all the domain problems, all the domain related problems, we can solve by using the elimination method. What is this elimination method and how to eliminate that wrong options? First listen it carefully. So because since it is the domain, means I want to find the values of the x which satisfies or which defines the given function. Okay. First listen it carefully. So out of these 4 options, if you eliminate the 3 wrong options, then automatically the 4th one will be the correct option. Okay. How to eliminate that wrong option? First listen it carefully. First observe the first 2 options. First observe the first 2 options. From these 2, I will eliminate one wrong option. For that, from the 2 given interval, select one value which should lie in one interval, which should not lie in the other interval. Okay? ये दोनों से एक वैल्यू ले लो, वो वैल्यू एक इंटरवल में होना चाहिए, दूसरे इंटरवल में नहीं होना चाहिए. बताओ कौन सा वैल्यू ले सकता है? दोनों इंटरवल से एक वैल्यू ले लो. That value should lie in one interval, should not lie in another interval. बताओ कौन सा वैल्यू लेना है? This is open bracket 2,3. ओपन बोले तो हमको 2, 3 का बीच में सभी वैल्यूज लेना पड़ेगा, बट 2 और 3 नहीं लेना है. This is a closed bracket, means 2 and 3 also we can take it, including all the values in between. When the closed bracket is there, this boundary values also we can take it. Okay? तो बताओ कौन सा वैल्यू ले सकता है? That value should lie in one interval, should not lie in another interval. Suppose if take x equal to 2, 2 will be there here because close bracket is there. Here open means 2 nahi lena hai. So I will take the x equal to 2. Substitute x equal to 2 there. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 2 square 4. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 by 6, 6 by 6, 1. Log 1, 0, 0, 0. Means when x equal to 2, if I take it, so this is satisfying now. This is defining. Means I can take x equal to 2, but 2 is not there here. That's why it is not the answer. This is not the answer. Means you have eliminated one wrong option. You have eliminated one wrong option. What of the second? I don't know. Second, I don't know, but this is not the answer. Okay. Now, look at these 2 options now. Observe these 2 options again. Select one value for the x which lies in one interval, which should not lie in another interval. तो बताओ कौन सा वैल्यू ले सकता? 1. So 1 is there here, it is not there here, right? I will take x is equal to 1. Substitute here. Take x is 1. 5 into 1 minus 1. That is 4 by 6. Log of 4 by 6. Okay. So log of 4 by 6 means this 4 by 6 value less than 1. No? So always remember that.
Yes.
So log x is going to give the negative when x lies between 0 to the 1. When x is more than 1, log x is going to give the positive. Means log always gives positive value if x value lies more than 1. If x is lies between 0 to the 1, log x is negative. So 4 by 6 is less than 1. 1 से भी छोटा है ना? 4 by 6 बोले तो then log is going to give the negative value, but root के अंदर negative value ले सकता क्या? Root के अंदर
No.
negative value नहीं ले सकता.
No.
It is not going to define. Means 1 we should not take it, but 1 is there here. That's why this is not the answer. 1 is there here. If I take x is equal to 1, I'm getting log of 4 by 6. Log 4 by 6 is going to give the negative, but root के अंदर कभी भी negative value नहीं लेना है. That's why 1 is not going to satisfy. That's why that is not the option. What of the second? I don't know. But this is not the answer. Now look at the D option. Again, B and D, if you observe there, here also 1 is there, but 1 is not satisfying. That's why it is not the option. Is also not the option. What about the B? I don't know. But these three are not the options, not the correct option. That's why this is the correct option. Okay, like that. We will eliminate the three wrong options, then automatically get the right option. Okay, that is the right option. We can't say that it is only the exact correct answer. It may not be the correct answer, but this is the correct option. There's a lot of difference will be there between the correct option to the correct answer. Okay, so later by experience you will understand that. So this is the correct option. So how to do this method? So if you practice this, then in this method, even if we don't know what the condition or the procedure, we can able to identify the correct answer, correct option. Sorry. So look at the procedure here. So what is the procedure is? There is the under root. Under root means log of 5x minus x squared by 6 should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, because within the square root we should not have the negative value. That's why this value either positive or 0, that is the condition. Okay, here log is given by default, the base is e, or we can take any base. Now if you eliminate the logarithm, once recollect the properties of the logarithm, in that send this base other side. The base goes to other side. 5x minus x squared by 6 is greater than or equal to, if it goes to other side, become e power 0. Okay, whenever we send the base other side, this value goes to the power of that particular base. Okay, this value becomes e power 0. The value of e power 0 is 1. Now do the cross multiplication. Then 5x minus x squared is greater than or equal to 6 into e power 0 is 1. Now x square का coefficient minus आ गया, उसका positive लेने के लिए minus से multiply करो. So multiply by this minus, then they become plus x square minus 5x. Whenever if you multiply by the minus sign, this inequality gets reversed. Remember that is equal to minus 6. Whenever any equation, if you multiply by the minus sign, that sign is going to reverse. Okay. Now bring this minus 6 this side. Then it is x square minus 5x plus 6 less than or equal to 0. Okay. This is the inequation we got it. Tell me what are the factors of it? So factors क्या आ रहा है?
x minus 3 and x minus 2.
Good. X
3
minus
comma
2 into x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Okay. These are the factors. What are the roots of that? Roots can
2 comma 2.
2 and 3.
2 and 3. So yesterday I was given the formula for solving the inequation. If x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equal to 0. Tell me what is the interval for the x? Second formula. If this product has a negative, this product is negative, x is going to lie in between the roots. Equal to is there, then the equal to is there, we have to use a close bracket, 2 comma 3 close. So x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equal to 0, then x belongs to alpha comma beta close bracket. So that is the second formula yesterday I was given. So that formula will apply it. So this is the domain of that. Exactly that only we got it. So this is the procedure. Okay. Should understand the condition, then you have to solve that inequations carefully. So take this problem.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Next, look at the next problem. So these are the classical thinking problems. Now go to the critical thinking problems on the functions. So the sets and relations problems you completed. Now open the page number 95. Page number 95. Look at the 53rd problem. So 53rd problem, since it is given that f of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3, then what is the values of this such that f of x is equal to f of x plus 1? F of x is equal to f of x plus 1. So what is the value of the x? Just observe here. F of x is x square minus 2x plus 3. And this is the condition is given. So if you apply this condition, f of x means which is x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to f of x plus 1 मतलब x का जगह में x plus 1 रखना पड़ेगा. In the given function, replace x by x plus 1. Then f of x plus 1 मिलेगा हमको. तो x का जगह में x plus 1 लिखो. Is x plus 1 whole square minus 2 times x plus 1 plus 3. This is f of x plus 1 function. Means that is the function in terms of x plus 1. मतलब हर जगह में x plus 1 चाहिए. So that's why. If we simplify this, is x square minus 2x plus 3 is equal to, we will expand that. It is a plus b whole square. Is x square plus 2x plus 1 multiplied by minus 2 minus 2x minus 2 plus 3. So on both the sides x square is getting cancelled out. Plus 3 gets cancelled. And minus 2x plus 2x is plus 2x and minus 2x also is getting cancelled. बाकी क्या है? Minus 2x here is equal to here 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Minus 2x equal to minus 1. Tell me what is the value of x? 1 by 2. That's the answer. So that is the solution for it. X equal to 1 by 2. Take that.
Done, sir.
Next, look at the next problem. Also this is 54. F of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus 2. F of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus 2 and f of 1 is equal to 3 and f of 4 is equal to 42. F of 4 is equal to 42. Then what are the values of a comma b respectively? Just observe this. F of x is given ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus 2. F of 1 is given. F of 4 is given. So first f of 1. F of 1 बोले तो x का जगह में 1 substitute करना पड़ेगा. So keep that x is equal to 1 in that a into 1 square, that is a, plus b into 1 plus 2 is given 3. So that implies a plus b is equal to, send this to other side, 3 minus 2 is 1. That is one equation in terms of a and b. All that is equation number 1. And they have given f of 4. F of 4 बोले तो x का जगह में 4 रखो. 4 square 16. That is 16a plus 4b plus 2. This is f of 4, that is given 42. Send this to other side, 16a plus 4b is equal to 40. I can divide all these coefficients by the 4. Divided by the 4, then we'll get that 4a plus b is equal to 10. Call that is equation number 2. अभी ये दोनों equations solve करके and b value and a value find out करना पड़ेगा. So for solving the two simultaneous linear equation, आपको 9th class से 9th क्लास में है ना simultaneous linear equation solving?
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
B is equal to
Yes,
the
sir.
Voice is not coming.
is A plus B is equal to 1. We will subtract them. If you subtract them, so the sign is going to change for this. 4A minus A, that is 3A. B and B get cancelled. 10 minus 1, that is 9. Therefore, A is equal to 3. When A is 3, substitute here. 3 plus B is equal to 1. What is the value of the B?
-2.
Minus 2.
-2.
These are the values of A and B. Check that.
Done, sir.
Yes, look at the next problem.
Done.
Let's observe the 55th problem. Now, 55th, let's observe that f of x is given as x plus 1 by x, such that f of x whole cube is equal to f of x cube plus lambda times f of 1 by x. Then what is the value of the lambda? Observe the 55th. F of x is given as x plus 1 by x. So f of x whole cube is equal to f of x cube plus lambda times f of 1 by x. So what is the value of the lambda? Just observe here. So to find that, it is f of x whole cube, means substitute that f of x there, that is x plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to f of x cube. f of x cube means x का जगह में x cube लिखना पड़ेगा. x का जगह में x cube लिखो. It is x cube plus 1 by x cube plus lambda times f of 1 by x. So f of 1 by x means x का जगह में 1 by x रखना पड़ेगा. Replace x by 1 by x. Then क्या मिलेगा हमको? x बोले तो 1 by x plus 1 by x बोले तो x का जगह में 1 by x लो. 1 by x सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 1 upon 1 by x क्या होता?
X.
Okay. So this is what we got it. Now it is a plus b whole cube form. What is the formula for a plus b whole cube? a plus b whole cube का formula क्या है?
A cube plus 3A square B plus 3B square plus B cube.
plus b cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. A means x into 1 by x into a plus b. That is the formula for it. Is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus lambda times 1 by x plus x. So where x cube cancel, 1 by x cube also is getting cancelled. Now बताओ वो lambda value क्या होता? 3. Because here x and x gets cancelled ना? 3 into x plus 1 by x is equal to lambda into x plus 1 by x. Therefore, lambda is equal to 3. This is the answer. Understand? So this is the formula you have to remember. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That is the formula we have applied it. Okay. Then directly you can find the value of lambda. Take that.
Done, sir.
Next, look at the next problem. Observe this 56 problem. A into f of x plus b into 1 by x (55, 56). A into f of x plus b into f of 1 by x is equal to 1 by x minus 5. Then what is the value of f of 2? F of 2 is equal to how much? Look at this problem, this model. This is very important for the GMAN level also. So when the relation is given like that, I want to find the value of f of 2. I want to find the f of 2. First of all, I should know what is that function f of x. If you know the f of x, replace x by that 2, you'll get the f of 2. Okay. So when the equation is given like that, this is called the first equation. Say, if you want to find the f of x, what we will do is, the procedure is that in this relation, replace x by 1 by x. Don't ask me why, but replace x by 1 by x. Replace x by 1 by x. Then what we are getting? x का जगह में 1 by x substitute करो everywhere. क्या मिलेगा हमको? a into f of 1 by x plus b into x का जगह में 1 by x substitute किया तो 1 upon 1 by x f of x होता है. Is equal to x minus 5. Call that is equation number 2. So in the place of the x, replace x by 1 by x, 1 by x by x. Then को ये equation मिलेगा. Now from these two, if I eliminate the f of 1 by x, if I eliminate it, then automatically get the f of x ना, f of x मिलेगा. Means ये दोनों से f of 1 by x eliminate करना पड़ेगा. Eliminate करने के लिए equation 1 में इधर b है, coefficient इधर a है. इसलिए equation 1 multiplied by a. Equation 1 multiplied by a. a से multiply करो क्या मिलेगा हमको? a square f of x plus ab f of 1 by x is equal to a by x minus 5a. हर टर्म दोनों साइड a से मल्टीप्लाई करो. ओके. और इक्वेशन 2 b से मल्टीप्लाई करो. Equation 2 multiplied by the b. Then we are getting ab f of 1 by x plus b square f of x is equal to bx minus 5b. Okay. This is what we are getting. Now we will subtract them. 1 minus 2. Because why I am multiplying like that? The coefficient of f of 1 by x, I made it as an equal now. This is ab hai, idhar bhi ab hai na. Now subtract them. If you subtract them, you have to change the sign for the second equation. Second equation का sign change करना पड़ेगा. तब ab f of 1 by x minus ab f of 1 by x दोनों भी cancel ना? ये दोनों भी cancel. बाकी क्या मिलेगा, ए स्क्वायर एफ ऑफ एक्स माइनस बी स्क्वायर एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू, इट इज ए बाय एक्स माइनस बी एक्स minus 5a plus 5b. Okay, this is what we got it. Now दोनों से f of x कॉमन निकाल सकता, take f of x कॉमन, remaining is a square minus b square is equal to, it is a by x minus bx minus 5a plus 5b. Okay, now divided by a square minus b square, therefore we will get that f of x is equal to a by x minus bx minus 5a plus 5b upon a square minus b square. This is the function f of x. Okay, so this is the procedure we have to remember. Understand? Because this is so many times they ask even in the GMAIN also, sometimes they ask in the CET also. So look at the procedure once again. When the relation is given like this, when the relation is given like that, from this how to find f of x? How to find f of x? For finding the f of x, replace x by 1 by x. x का जगह में 1 by x सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, 1 by x का जगह में x लिखो. Okay, x का जगह में 1 by x, 1 by x का जगह में x सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. Okay, then x का जगह में 1 by x and 1 by x का जगह में x and 1 by x का जगह में x. Okay, वैसे आपको इक्वेशन मिल जाएंगे. नाउ ये दोनों इक्वेशंस से हमको f of 1 by x एलिमिनेट करना पड़ेगा. f of 1 by x एलिमिनेट करने के लिए इसका कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल लाना पड़ेगा हमको. इक्वल लाने के लिए इधर a को ये है ना, तो ये इक्वेशन a से मल्टीप्लाई करो और ये इक्वेशन b से मल्टीप्लाई करो. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई बाय a, b, सेकंड इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई बाय a. Then this is what we are getting. Now इधर ए बी एफ ऑफ 1 बाई एक्स है, इधर भी ए बी एफ ऑफ 1 बाई एक्स है. ये दोनों भी सेपरेट किया तो टर्म कैंसिल होता ना, ये दोनों भी सेपरेट करो. देन ए स्क्वायर एफ ऑफ एक्स माइनस बी स्क्वायर एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू ए बाई एक्स माइनस बी एक्स माइनस 5a प्लस 5b. वी विल गेट इट. दोनों से एफ ऑफ एक्स कॉमन निकाल दो, उनको ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर मिलेगा. ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करो, उनको एफ ऑफ एक्स फंक्शन मिल गया. फाइनली हमको क्या पाइए, f of 2. f of 2 we want to find it. f of 2 means keep x is equal to 2. इसका जगह में 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, क्या मिलेगा फिर, a by 2 minus 2b minus 5a plus 5b upon a square minus b square. Okay, so this is equal to 5b minus 2b which is 3b, a by 2 minus 5a, how much, a upon 2 minus 5a, a by 2 minus 5, इसका एलसीएम 2 है ना, a minus 10
minus 9a upon 2.
minus 9a by 2 by a square minus b square. Okay, now न्यूमरेटर में एलसीएम क्या है, 2 ना, 2 is an LCM, that 2 comes here, 3 to the 6b minus 9a upon 2 upon a square minus b square. This is the value of f of 2. Okay, so that is the procedure. Understand? So this procedure is important. They may or may not give the same equation, they may give any equation, but this is the procedure. Okay, first in the given equation, replace x by 1 by x. Then we are going to get the second equation. So from these two, we have to eliminate that f of 1 by x, we have to eliminate it, then we will get the f of x. To eliminate that, here this coefficient, with this coefficient multiply the first equation, with this coefficient multiply the second equation, तब f of 1 by x coefficient same आएगा. तो दोनों भी separate करो, तब f of 1 by x हम cancel हो जाएंगे, then बाकी f of x value मिल जाएंगे. Then in that whatever they are asking, f of 2 पूछा था x equal to 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, f of 3 चाहे तो 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो वैसा. ओके, देन हमको फाइनल आंसर मिल जाएंगे. टेक दैट.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Next, look at